My mom and my dad,
yes,
they do not have money. Like, we come from satanic poverty.
oh my.
Welcome back again to the channel, guys. Please do it to subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to turn your post notification on so you'll be the first to know whenever I put out a new video. And please let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section. I'm going to give you a shout out in my next video. And also, please don't watch without liking. Gossipmill owner finally have reviewed himself to us. His name is Precious Somto, aka Pino Vibe. Pino Vibe. So he made a review on his page on Instagram 2 days ago, and that has been the trending topic online. 29 years old young man based in Lagos State, Nigeria. He said he started vlogging when he was 14 years old, so he's been in the business for 15 years. So doing it behind the keyboard now. His post, he showed off his luxury achievements in the last 15 years. A 1.6 billion naira house in Lekki, a 2024 GLE, and an elegant Porsche SUV. In a recent interview, he was asked, why do you choose to review yourself now? And I have this to say.
Because I was bored.
And he was also asked about his family background. This is his response.
So far, we still chop life. Because you know, say, my mom and my dad,
Yes.
they do not have money. Like, we come from satanic poverty.
Oh my, categorize the poverty.
No be joke. As our poverty, our own was
Do you believe religion is a problem in Nigeria?
a very big problem.
You also, because for Filipino.
Very big problem. Like, we were satanically poor. My mom, the Menike family, satanically poor. My father, Umonanu family, satanically poor. They come merge
Together.
Imagine the kind of poverty they produce.
Hey! But they gave birth to a light.
Yes.
They gave birth to a light. Damn, and your light can never be dim. That's massive. With this prayer, I go get transfer.
He was also asked if he thinks people are competing with him. He said the sky is too big for everybody, so he's not in competition with anybody, that he's just doing his things and figuring himself out. Who can be figuring himself out with all this money? This guy. Who is figuring himself with all this money you have? For people that are imagining and thinking, what is his relationship status, right? What is his relationship status? Watch to the end of this video, because he mentioned it by the end of this video. Enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you in my next, so make sure you watch when he showed his house, everything you need to see. Watch. I'll see you later. Bye.
Right now,
One of three.
one of three. Limited edition.
This is 34. Now we put it
Now we
34.
put that point. All those points.
It was video when it is 0.
I swear.
Don't go put 34 now.
I swear.
Oh, wow.
Make
If
some
you
people
shop for them, maybe they show their mileage.
Show their mileage. Oh. If you shop
They
for
see
them,
26,000, 56,000,
100,000.
59. Stop.
Music.
That one still there. I think something's playing.
I've reduced it. Me no. Please focus on the steering.
Focus on the steering. Now.
The steering they different. 2024. New. To buy a new 2024 car, it takes the grace of God.
Yeah.
They hear me from there. No go open blogging channel. See now.
The matcha.
Gossipmill don say, Egungun, after your interview, we go match.
Matcha. They move around the estate.
Jesus Christ. Okay, this is Victory Park Estate.
Yes. One of the best estate.
Okay, that is like your car, but that is the 2020.
2021.
So okay, 2021.
Yeah.
Hello, we have the 2024. Gossipmill. I don't know, say estate like this fine for you for Victory Park.
See houses now, everywhere clear. Did they get her clear? Everybody here.
Hey guys, see the mileage, 61 mileage. Hey, so now me.
You see now more goes on. See, nothing like blood money. You go and get something doing
in life.
Me and my neighbors, we know each other. We know what they do. Not say this is a media mogul. This is an oil magnate.
I swear.
Nothing like money won't come.
Gossip, I want to ask you a question. Are you ready? Are you in a relationship?
It's complicated.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah. If I tell you say I dey single, you no go know say you know clear. Obviously, I do something wrong.
Oh.
We are still figuring it out.
Yes. And do you have kids?
No.
You are not ready?
Yeah, not yet. But very soon. Very soon.
Ah. Jesus Christ. See now, see the light, see the
ambience.
Bro. You can't even change this thing.
Yeah, to anyone you want.
Peter, not each of you.
You don't get it.
No. I'm on 2021. I just on 2024.
Yeah. It's do it again. Do it again. You didn't see me for body. Do it again.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
It clear.
Ah.
It clear, be no clear.
Oh my clear.
That's massive, baby. I don't collect your cash for you.
Do you go to club?
Sometimes.
Boy, if they go club, people don't go to say you.
Yeah, I've been to loads of clubs and no one actually knew who I was. But from now, obviously everything would have changed.
No, this place makes sense.
You can still drive around if you have time.
No. For inside rich man car.
You can drive as long as you want.
Gossipmill. Can you mention 3 of your favorite skit makers?
3 of my favorite skit makers. This man, you want set me up. I love all of them, and none of them loves me.
You even get full panel.
Yes, panoramic roof.
Damn.